You know that moment when you've set up camp, made your coffee, the view is perfect, and then your camp chair feels like a torture device after 10 minutes? Yeah, that's what this video is here to fix. Today, I am counting down 6 of the best reclining camping chairs, from, this is decent, to, oh wow, I might actually fall asleep out here. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits how you camp, how you pack, and how you relax. 6. Poepore Reclining Camping Chair. Let's start with the Poepore because this one is kind of the baseline. Padded, reclines, footrest, checks the boxes, but it's not perfect. The big thing you noticed first is the overall comfort. The detachable cotton padding and the headrest genuinely make it feel more plush than a bare-bones camping chair. You sit down, lean back, and go, okay, this is actually pretty nice. The removable footrest lets you stretch out, and when everything is set up, it feels more like a lounger than a basic camp chair. Structurally, it's solid for most people. It uses a reinforced stainless steel frame with an X-shaped support structure and 600D Oxford fabric, so it doesn't feel flimsy or saggy when you sit in it. It's rated to support around 265 pounds, which covers a good chunk of campers, and the fabric feels like it'll handle repeated trips without ripping on day 3. You can feel that stiffness in a good way when you sit down. There's no weird flex or wobble when you shift your weight. Now, the reclining and 4-position adjustability is where it becomes more than just a chair. Being able to sit upright for eating, then lean back for stargazing or a nap is a big deal when you're actually out for hours. The footrest setup lets you turn it into a semi-chaise lounge, and for beach days or lakeside camping, that's a huge win. The 5th choice is the Suteck Zero Gravity Reclining Camping Lounge Chair. The Suteck is where things start to feel more like a proper zero-gravity experience. When you lean back, your weight shifts and your legs come up in that floating position that immediately takes pressure off your lower back. Add the 4-inch thick detachable cushion, and yeah, you can very easily doze off in this thing without meaning to. It comes with a headrest pillow and a cup holder, so your drink, phone, or book actually has a home instead of being tossed in the dirt. The materials also feel thoughtfully chosen. You get upgraded textiline mesh backed by double elastic bands for support, and then that soft cushion layer on top, which you can remove if you're in hotter weather or want a more breathable seat. That flexibility is nice. Cushion comfort when it's cooler, or mesh only when you need more airflow. The frame itself is a classic zero-gravity steel setup, designed to feel solid rather than wobbly when you rock back. And the overall impression is this is made to chill in for hours. Where it stands out over number 6 is the lock and adjustment system. The chair uses an upgraded locking mechanism with an 8mm deep groove design that grabs and holds your reclined angle more securely. So when you find that sweet spot, it doesn't slowly slide back to upright. That sounds small, but on a long afternoon, not having to constantly readjust the recline is huge. Number 4, the WEJOY 2-in-1 Reclining Camping Chair. The WEJOY starts to feel like that friend who can do a bit of everything. It's a reclining camp chair with a detachable footrest, and in some versions, even a removable umbrella, which is pretty clever for sunny beach days or open campsites. You can run it as a regular chair when you're eating or hanging out around the fire, and then clip on the footrest and lean back when you're ready to relax. That 2-in-1 design is honestly where it earns its spot. Comfort-wise, it uses a mix of breathable mesh and 600D Oxford fabric, which gives you a nice balance between support and airflow. You sit down and get that feeling of a proper camping chair, not a floppy beach sling. The backrest offers multiple reclining positions, so you can go pretty upright or kick back, adjusting it to what you're doing instead of fighting a single fixed angle. The headrest and footrest combo makes it surprisingly nap-friendly for what still packs down reasonably well.
In terms of durability, the lightweight folding frame is built for repeated folding and unfolding without feeling like it's going to twist out of shape. It's not as beefy as the oversized zero-gravity frames, but that's kind of the point. This one is easier to carry, store, and throw in the car without dedicating half your trunk to a single chair. If you're the person who moves around a lot, beach today, campsite tomorrow, backyard the day after, the WEJOY fits that go-anywhere lifestyle nicely.
3. Best Choice Products Adjustable Zero Gravity Lounge Chair. The Best Choice Products is one of those chairs where you sit down, lean back, and immediately understand why zero gravity chairs have such a fan base. The reclining system is smooth. You just lean back and the chair glides into position. Then you twist the side knobs to lock it where you want it. Once it's set, you get that floating, pressure-free feel that's addictive if you have a sore back or tired legs. The comfort features are dialed in. There's a removable padded headrest pillow that you can slide up or down or take off completely. The seat and back are made from UV-resistant textiline mesh that stretches just enough to mold to your body, supported by elastic cords that adjust to your weight. Over long sessions, that combination of support and give is what keeps you from feeling stiff. It's the kind of chair you can read in for hours, then look up and realize the sun is setting. What pushes this chair up the list is how user-friendly it is. The detachable side tray with cup holders and device slots is not a gimmick. Having a spot for your drink, phone, and maybe a tablet or book is a nice quality of life upgrade. The frame folds flat enough to make transport simple, and at around 20.5 pounds, it's not ultra light, but it's reasonable for the comfort you're getting. You can use it at the campsite, by the pool, or even as a semi-permanent lounger on a balcony or patio.
2. ZENPETIO 29-inch zero-gravity chair. This is a chair you pick if you're tired of feeling squeezed into standard width loungers. At about 29 inches wide with a cushioned back and an oversized design, it feels more like a personal outdoor recliner. You sit down and immediately feel that extra room in your shoulders and hips, which makes a huge difference on long days. The construction is built for heavier use. It uses a stable triangular frame with thick, square steel tubes and double-layered ropes, designed to support up to roughly 440 to 500 pounds, depending on configuration. That means when you recline, there's no second guessing whether the frame can handle it. The locking system uses deeper groove locks, so your position stays put, even if you shift around a lot or rock a little while talking or watching the fire. Comfort is where this chair really earns its spot. The included cushion adds a soft, padded feel, and there are versions that integrate a cooler bag or footrest elements to really lean into the lounging side. Even without those extras, the combination of wide seat, supportive frame, and adjustable recline gives you that "I could sleep here" vibe pretty quickly. It's just forgiving for bigger users or anyone who likes to curl up a bit or change positions. The extra width is gold. Of course, with that size and heavy-duty build, you're not getting a featherweight package. This is a substantial chair to carry and move, and it's very much intended for car camping, patios, and lawns, rather than minimalist trips.
Rotinyard Reclining Camping Chair with Footrest. This is the one that nails the balance between camping practicality and real lounging comfort. It's built as a 2-in-1 style recliner with a detachable footrest and an adjustable backrest that typically ranges from about 90 to 140 degrees. So you can sit upright for meals, lean back for reading, or almost fully recline for a nap. You get that ah moment when you lean back without needing a giant zero-gravity frame. The frame uses sturdy metal with a design that focuses on stability without going overboard on weight. Paired with durable fabrics similar to 600D Oxford and supportive stitching, it feels like a proper outdoor tool, not a fragile beach toy.
The weight capacity is designed to comfortably handle adult users with room to spare, and the chair doesn't feel tippy when you extend the footrest and recline. It's that nice middle ground where you trust it enough to relax completely, but it's still manageable to carry and pack. The adjustable backrest is a big deal in real use. Being able to fine-tune your angle between roughly 90 and 140 degrees means you're never stuck in that awkward too reclined to eat, too upright to nap middle zone. You can dial it into your exact comfort level, whether you're scrolling on your phone, watching the fire, or listening to the rain on your tent. Combine that with the padded headrest and extended foot support, and it honestly feels like an outdoor recliner more than a camp chair. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.